Nobody should be stressed out around paying utilities. I'm Stephanie. I live in Brooklyn, New York, Georgetown. It's a nice neighborhood. So I'm into clean energy. I want to leave a clean footprint. Also, I had a friend who got solar and he said, listen, you should look into it. It will reduce my electricity. So I was like, oh, okay. I chose Empower because they're very knowledgeable. When the young lady came to me to introduce it, she took her time and explained it. No pressure. I may have had a little issue with my credit. She was able to work something out for me. She said the roof needed a little bit of repair. They repaired it. So they took care of the electrical paneling. They took care of the roof, make sure it was safe and sound. I felt taken care of by Empower. I felt taken care of. And that is something huge for me. The best part of switching to solar energy is one, the lowering of my current Edison bill. I have been fighting with them for a long time. My bill was ridiculous. For a single family, I was almost paying $400 to $600 a month. Every month, I don't want to see the bill because I'm like, oh my God, do I have enough to pay? $500 just for electricity? What is that? Nobody should be stressed out around paying utilities. Since I had the panels, my bill has cut down from $400 to like $193, $200. I'm happy I don't have to stress about my energy costs at all. So if everyone could get solar paneling, they should look for it. It's seamless and you do see the difference. Not only that, a good part of it is you do get a rebate. You get a rebate and the lifetime saving. So it's a win-win.